Hello everyone, it's Matt from CADglobal. Today we'll try importing and exporting the OBJ format in several CAD programs such as progeCAD, AutoCAD, BricsCAD, ZWCAD, and SketchUp. OBJ is a format that typically contains 3D objects, including colors and textures, saved in an OBJ file. OBJ model data is imported as mesh objects. First, we will take a look at progeCAD, a program that comes to us from the EU via Switzerland. To import an OBJ format file in progeCAD, perform one of the following actions to select OBJ import. Type OBJIN and press Enter. Choose the OBJ file you want to import, then click Open. Once the OBJ format is processed, you can view your 3D model. Select Insert, Import. Under File Type, choose Wavefront OBJ file. Go to Application, Import, Wavefront. ProgeCAD also allows you to export in OBJ format. To export a drawing in OBJ format, follow these steps. On the ribbon, click the ProgeCAD icon button, then select Export. Type OBJOUT and press Enter. Select the elements you want to export. Specify the file name you want to create. Click Save. Unfortunately, AutoCAD does not support importing or exporting OBJ format. The only way to import OBJ format into AutoCAD is to open it with another program like progeCAD, then save it in a format that AutoCAD supports, such as DWG. This method also works for any program that doesn't support the OBJ format. Now let's take a look at the BricsCAD Ultimate program made in the EU to see if it can open an OBJ file. Like AutoCAD, it does not support importing or exporting the OBJ format. ZWCAD is a program made in China, but like AutoCAD and BricsCAD, it does not support importing such a format. SketchUp also does not support the OBJ format. But if you install a plugin called Fluid Importer, SketchUp gains the ability to import OBJ files. If you need any of the mentioned programs or want more information, a free presentation, and the best prices, for more videos like this, hit the like button. If you have any questions about Perpetual CAD licenses, comment below or email us. Thank you for watching.